I will free myself from you, yeah.
It's a
talk to me. We'll make a new tomorrow. Talk to me. What makes this happy face?